I can write W in the frequency domain as capital, I'll use capital W notation this time because the frequency domain relationship of omega V. Omega V is nothing but the frequency corresponding to the sampling rate of Fv, and Fv will be nothing but Ifx, because sampling rate at the input and output of the filter is exactly same. So I can use omega V corresponding to the sampling rate Ifx. So W will be nothing but capital H omega V. Capital H is the frequency spectrum of this filter, multiplied by v of n is input to the filter. So see, what are we doing is we are writing expression of W in the form of filter frequency response H and frequency response of the input signal V. So we know that output is convolution of impulse response and the input in time domain. In frequency domain, output will be multiplication of Fourier transform, which is capital H. It's a frequency response of the filter, and this will be multiplied by V. V is the input to the signal. Now we know that capital V, which is output of the interpolator block, can be written in the form of capital X omega V into I. Interpolation is nothing but compression in the frequency domain. That means multiplying I with the omega variable. So finally my W becomes W of omega V is equal to H of omega V into V. V is nothing but X of omega V times I. But if you remember, we had written the expression for H before. We had written the expression for frequency response of the filter. It's I in certain range and 0 elsewhere. This was apart from the previous range of omega that we have taken. So that means this will be equal to nothing but H. Capital H is I, so I will be multiplied by X omega V I. This will be valid between mod omega greater than equal to 0 less than equal to the cutoff frequency of the filter, which is minimum of pi by d comma pi by I. And see, please note that we are putting these mod signs just because this expression of the frequency response is for positive omega as well as negative omega. Omega when we take two-sided representation. So by putting mod signs, we simply mean that this is the expression between 0 to some value on positive side and 0 to minus of that value on the negative side. It's a low pass filter. We are writing two-sided representation, and elsewhere H was 0, so when you multiply 0 with X you get 0 elsewhere. So that's my W. Now finally this W of n will be passing through the decimator to get the final output Y of n. So if you remember, we can now write down expression for Y. But when we write expression of Y, I'll write it in the form of omega Y. I'll write it with respect to omega Y. And this was nothing but, from the discussion on decimation, this was equal to 1 by d summation of W omega Y minus 2 pi k divided by d, where k will vary from 0 to d minus 1.